This is not much of a how-to video, but I just wanted to show you guys what the inside of a 220,000 mile Kia engine looks like right here. It's a 3.5 liter right here from the first generation Kia Sorento. And holy crap, this just looks really cool the way I got it just laying out like this. I'm gonna put it back because I'm excited to see how these new spark plugs and these gaskets hold up right here. Tore it apart last week, got the parts in this week. See, look at that. Look at that. It just looks cool, even though that's not really a very healthy looking engine. Okay. Alright guys, so check it out. Like I said before, this is not really a how-to video. The reason why it's not really a how-to video, there's obviously videos already on how to do the specific engine. If an idiot like me can do an engine like this, where you have to take off literally the wiper strap, the wipers, everything that you have to take off just to get to this, and even the spark plugs, then you could probably do it on any common car. This is a V6 obviously, but wow, you guys can enjoy the rest of this video at least. There are videos out there, better videos than I can ever make. I'll go ahead and lay my equipment back down on this engine real quick. There you go, just like that. Gotta do some wiggling, of course. Go on top. Alright guys, my apologies for this side of the engine. It was kind of hard to get some working room. I had to do some maneuvering action just to get this piece back in there, but as you can see, they're both back in there now, and I'm over here getting ready to wrap things up. Well, obviously I got a long way to go if I wrap things up, but I realize ain't no spark plug action in the holes. I'm over here getting ready to blow the pistons out because there ain't no, well, you can't really blow them out because there's no spark plug action. So let's go ahead and get these out right here. Alright, so hopefully I got some pretty good angles and shots. Once again, this is not really a how-to video, it's just, you know, showing you guys what I've been up to with this Kia. And then also over here we have some more work we got to do, and it's right there, the engine mount, the top engine mount right there. As you can see, that is going to be replaced, and also that big piece down there at the bottom. So that's coming up. That will actually be an how-to video, since I feel a little bit bad. But, you know, I don't really know who drives 2004 Sorento, so it's like, you know, this was, I didn't really know if I should have done a how-to on this or not, since there's already a great video out there, thanks to him. But anyway, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's it.